could talk to you, I would like to say that my life is in your hands. If I could talk to you, talk to you, I would like to make you feel how my heart beats for you. If I could talk to you, I would grab the passion you put in this love. I want the passion you put talk to you. Look where I stand. Look, I'm dying for you. If I could talk to you, if I could greet you, if I could hug you, if I could hold you, if I could catch you, if I could